Hi, I'm James Morgan with the Davey Tree Expert Company, and today we're talking about best practices for turf management on your commercial property. Green and healthy turf is the foundation of a vibrant commercial landscape. Whether your lawn areas need regular mowing, spot treatments, or overall rejuvenation, a comprehensive turf management program is the first step to ensure your turf always thrives. Here are a couple of key components to a successful turf management program. It's important to maintain a proper mowing height, frequency, and the quality of the cut. In general, mowing your lawn at a little more than 3 inches or the size of a credit card will result in better turf grass quality. Also, be sure you are mowing with a sharp blade. Mowing with a dull blade can cause added stress and increased wounding to the turf. The next key component to a turf program is proper irrigation. In general, most turf grasses require about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water per week to maintain acceptable quality and should be applied during the early morning hours. Fertilization is another critical component to a comprehensive turf program. It's best to discuss these applications with your commercial landscape provider and get the appropriate recommendation on frequency and type of fertilizer for your individual property needs. Also keep in mind, common areas on commercial properties often receive a significant amount of foot traffic, so addressing soil compaction with aerification can help alleviate the effects of compaction. Weed and insect control is the last component to making sure your turf grass wows your visitors all year long. The best defense against weeds is a dense, resilient turf grass canopy. If needed, Davey can help select a herbicide application to control weeds. Our technicians will also closely monitor your turf grass for signs of insect infestations and determine if control strategies are needed. If you're interested in learning more about our reliable commercial turf management solutions, give us a call and discover the ways Davey can help your turf thrive based on your budget and goals for your commercial property.